Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today the video all about FEA lesson module 13 day 7 topic name is lasting impression. Okay, so let's get started today's topic parents. So we have to go lesson objective. Okay, so I hope you are preparing you are preparing your cover letters, like how to write the cover letters. You are preparing how to write the resume, and you are preparing the interviews question. So in these things it will be happen you're on the day of contests, you have to prepare all the things. Okay people, so let's go from first lesson objective: consolidate your understanding for composing professional cover letter. So yes, so I'm saying that how to write the good cover letter, you have to be understand. So today in this video you will get to know. Okay, in this video you will get to know, and today in the topic today is mentioned also how to write the good cover letter, professional cover letter. Let's go next one, part B: learn the importance of preparing for an interview using common interview questions. Today you will get to know 5 interview questions you have to prepare, and you have to be know what is the importance of the interview questions. So you have to prepare this 5 question as well. Next one is the strengthen language. You have to practice the minimal pair and all the sounds which is the written here. S as a sound. You have to prepare these sounds, and you have to focus the minimal pair. If you are focusing these things, so you can communicate well. So you have to focus these things. Take ownership by receiving implementing feedback. So what you have to be able, you have to be implement. You have to take all the feedback, and you have to improve yourself. Okay, let's go the part B. Here is written some here is written seven tips you have to be follow while writing the cover letter. So here is part B: writing excellent cover letter. So how to write the excellent cover letter, you will get to know. Okay, you have to read this article, then you will understand all the things. Okay, one of the most common mistake people make in writing, so kuch log the people, some people are making mistake, the most people are making the mistake is summary of the resume. A recruiter a large amounts of the cover letter and don't have to read where you went to school. Like what happened people, some people while writing the cover letter, they are always writing all the unnecessary things. Like while writing the thing, they are always written in the in cover letter unnecessary things. But you have to write here is written where you went to school. You don't have to read, don't have, they didn't want to read this thing where you want, where you went to school. They want to read where your school experience. They want to what you have taken from this school experience. They want to know these things. They don't want to where you go for the school, what is the school name. They don't want to know. Okay, so what you learn from there, they they want to these things. So while writing this, you need to be take care. Below are below are 7 tips to consider for your cover letter. So there are 7 tips, you have to read it, and so then you can know how to write the excellent cover letter. So create tailor the version of each application. So share why are you studying the role. So while writing while writing the cover letter, you need to be focused. You need to be share these things, why are you started this role. Like you have to share the uh, good relevant things. Why are you started, you have, do you have any experience for that. Yeah, why you are excited this role. That's what they, you have to share these things. Okay, this is the very important to share. Next one, address it to be hiring recruiting manager. Where the possible, try to address your letter hiring recruiting manager using their name. It shows that you have taken the time, you get to know regarding the cover letter that instead of applying for this role. So what you have to people, you have to be while writing the cover letter, you have to be take the recruiter name as well. Like then they will understand, yes, the person is know that the person is research something, that's why he have applied. So you have to take the name and address as well. Explore your resume and more detail. The hiring recruiting manager now knows the facts so deeper into what you have learned from the past experience. Highlight the most relevant example while focusing your skill can be utilized the job effectively. So while sometimes what you have to do, you have to you have to mention your skill. You have to why what you learn from the this vast experience. What is the skill is very needed in this job. You have to be mention these things the in the your resume and the cover letter as well. Okay, let's go the next one. The next one is the state what you can do for the company. State what you can do for the company. Company knows the role will be great experience for you. What they want to know, they are going to do for them. Think about areas where you can make impact, expertise, and you bring those areas where you possibly include numbers of demonstrate how you made the miserable impact the companies you have previously worked with. So what happened, you have to be share your like the places addresses. They want to know that you can work with the company or not. So you have to be share the place, the state, many things you have to share. So you can share these things as well. Okay, include a strong finish. This is the last opportunity impress you can do. Include your strong closing sentences. Like while while including your all the things, you need to be focused so many good things. Ask your friend to read it. So while they're writing, after completing your cover letter, you can ask, you can give your friend for reading, then he can understand. So make it look professional. So while writing resume, while writing the cover letter, you have to make the your cover letter very clear. Like you don't have to make the mistake. You don't have to make mistake, like be making grammar mistake, spelling mistakes. You need to be mention many things very clear, like about the thing is very clear. So it is very good things if you make the professional. Then note regarding email cover letters. Okay, email is still most your tool. So in this days, so people are writing the in the email they are always writing uh, cover letter. Next, so people should go on the next one. Six common interview questions. You have to prepare six common interview questions. There is written. What are your weakness? You have to say your weakness. Why should we hire you? As I already said yesterday, on the topic of day six, how to give the answer this question. So you have to prepare this question as well. Why do you want to work here? what are the what are your goals? What are your goals? You have to prepare this question as well. While if you want to go the interview, so for interview before them, you have to be prepare this question because it is very important. It is most common question they always ask. Why did you leave for the your job? Previous job, why did you leave? You have to be mentioned. What are your goals? What is your goals when you were most satisfied with your job? So you have to share all the things. Here is written some points you can read. Example is also written here. You can talk about like this. Okay, here is written example. So in the last, here is your example is also written, so you can read it and you can understand. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. So you can focus the rubric, all the rubric, like cover letter rubric, resume rubric, checklist, all the things you need to be focused, because on the day of contest you have to be uh, do all the things. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video.